Hi, this is Tim. In this video, I want to show you how to test your trainer after you've done the wiring enough to get started exercise when you have our HMI option. It uses the same getting started guide as our regular basic trainer, where you press the green button and the green light comes on, you press the yellow button and the yellow light comes on, you press the red button and the red light comes on, you press the blue button and the blue light comes on, and if you switch 4, it sequences through those lights. And if it does all that, then it tells you that you have your trainer wired correctly. And you can see the light sequencing on the HMI as well. We have green, yellow, red, blue, and so forth. And there's a little trend there that shows you which ones have been on and off. And the same as pressing the green button here. We can press the green button here, and that's going to make the green light come on. We can press the yellow button here, and it's going to make the yellow light come on. You can press the red button here. That's going to make the red light come on. And we can press the blue button, and that's going to make the blue light come on. So once your test out, you're ready to go on with your PLC program and exercises. I'll put a link to our PLC trainers down in the description. Till next time.
Hi, this is Tim.
And this is Amber with TW Controls. Hey, thanks for finding our channel.
Here's a playlist with some similar videos.
And YouTube thinks you'll like these.
When you're ready for some intense training, check out our PLC lab.
And if our videos have helped you out, but you're not using our products, please consider supporting us on Patreon.
Till next time.
See ya!